everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very simple and easy and quick onion ring recipe, and it's super delicious. If you try it my way of doing it, and you're going to love it. And let's get started. I always list my ingredient list under my description, so please check it out. You need a big onion, jumbo size, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, water as we need it, parsley flake, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Get a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, add cornstarch. This is baking powder, a pinch. This is strictly optional. You can skip it, but try it. This will give you better results. Salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, parsley flake. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the flour, add cold water. And we're going to mix it, and we're going to make a smooth mixture. So don't add too much water, add slowly. Once it's nicely beaten, this kind of consistency, not too thick, not too thin. Now we're going to set it aside and we'll work on onion. If you have a jumbo size like this is the best. So first we're going to peel it. Once you cut it, you need to cut like a 1/4 inch. We're going to have a different kind of onion rings. Jumbo size, we're going to have all different kind of size. So we have 5 different size of onion rings. So I'll keep continuing doing the onion ring like this. The next step will be the coating of onion ring. It's a good idea to mix it one more time. So get an onion ring, put it inside. With the help of fork, make sure that it's nicely coated like this. So do it like 1 or 2 times, and then once you lift it up like this, now we're going to put this one into the breadcrumb, just like this. And now we're not going to touch this one. We're going to make sure that we roll it up like this. You see? With the help of fork, if you see, this is a nice coating. So I'll get another plate. As you can see it, it's right there. So just shake it extra and then place it on the plate. You put it inside like this, then shake it extra. Once you shake it, now get other fork, put it inside your breadcrumb. You can use it also like this. Get another fork, then make sure that you don't touch it. And as you can see, you lift it up and you put it in. So now I'm going to shake it extra, and look at this. Perfect. So as you see, this is how the onion ring are nicely coated. So I'm going to keep continuing doing the same process, and I will finish it up, and I will show you one more. You put it inside. Once it's soaked in, it's a good idea. Lift it up, turn it over again one more time, and then shake it the extra. Then get other fork, pick it up, put it inside your breadcrumb. With the help of other fork, put the breadcrumb on top of it. Or like I showed you, you can shake it like this. Whatever the easier way you think, you can do it. So once it's done, so as you see, it's nicely coated. Then shake it extra, and look at this. I showed you both ways. You can do it this way, the coating, or you can put the fork, whatever the easier way you can do it. The oil is heated up, so let's take this one to our fryer and let's fry these. With the help of fork, just put it inside. And now we're going to fry it until they are nicely turned golden brown. So I have my rack ready, and I will pull these out. You can see they are nicely crispy and crunchy. So I'll place it on the rack. These are super yum. You just place it like this. If you have a big fry, then you can put more. As soon they are getting golden brown, we're going to pull them out. So as you can see, this one is also golden brown. Nice. And once the oil is drained, grab each one of them and place it on the rack. This is so simple and easy to make, and they are super delicious, super yum. So I'm going to keep continuing making the same way. Our tasty and delicious and simple onion ring recipe is all ready. This is the best appetizer. If you try it, you're going to like it. This is super crunchy and super delicious. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.